Hello there! Have you experienced to play with your friends? Of course! We run, we jump, we climb, we kick, and we exert forces. What did you notice on the video clip? That's right! The people are walking in a pedestrian lane. The people are in motion because they are moving from one place or the starting point to another, the side of the road. This is what we call the motion. Time you wake up until you go to sleep, all our activities involve movement. We have to move in order to complete our task. Motion will always be a part of our life. But what do you mean by motion? Motion is a relative. It is change in position with respect to a reference point. Reference point. It is the fixed place or an object to use to determine the position of an object.
Distance. It is the measurement of space between objects. How far or near point from one another. Time. The amount it takes an object to travel to a certain distance. Speed. It measures the motion of an object. It has two elements: distance, length, and time. This is the formula in computing speed. Speed equals distance over time. Speed equals d divided by time. Centimeter is used to measure short distances that can be measured by a rule. For longer distance, kilometer is being used for time. Seconds. It used for shorter time, being consumed, while hours is used for longer time. The chart between the distance and the time. Distance, centimeter, time, seconds. Distance, meter, time, minutes. Distance, kilometers, time, hours. Miles, distance, for days and years, time. Distance should always be exact, measured accurately and based on a standard unit of measurement. Scientifically, distance should be measured by using measuring tools used as the ruler, meter stick, tape measure, measuring wheel, and ultrasonic distance measurer. Here's the problem. Example, it takes a car 30 seconds to 90 meters. What is the speed? We have here the given. So we need to find out the speed. T 90 meters and T is to 30 seconds. T is short term for distance and T for time. Okay, to solve this one, we need to follow the formula. S is equals to question mark, T is equals to 90 meters, T is equals to 30 seconds. So S equals T over T or 90 over 30. So we need to divide these two to get the answer. So 90 divided by 30 is equals to 3 seconds or 3s. Remember, in describing the motion of an object by tracing and measuring its change in position or the distance traveled over the period of time, you need to take value of the importance of having a standard unit of measurement in determining the distance between necessary to get the speed of a moving object.